dear students, today in this video let us discuss about the first PUC accountancy chapters and blueprint. Previous video clear illa anta esto students comment madidru, so that is why once again I am going to presenting the syllabus of accounting. The total first PUC accountancy syllabus has divided into two parts, book 1 and book 2 financial accounting. The first part, that is financial accounting 1, you have 8 chapters. In the part 2 you have 5 chapters, that is financial accounting 2. So total 13 chapters from first PUC accountancy. Okay, let's see book number 1, that is financial accounting 1. In that first chapter, introduction to accounting, second chapter theory base of accounting, third chapter recording of transactions 1, fourth chapter recording of transactions 2, fifth chapter bank reconciliation statement, sixth chapter trial balance and rectification of errors, seventh chapter depreciation provisions and reserves, then last chapter bill of exchange. Then coming to the book number 2, financial accounting 2. So here book number 2 start from 9th chapter you are seeing. Okay, so chapter number 9 financial statements 1, chapter number 10 financial statements 2, chapter number 11 accounts from incomplete records, chapter number 12 applications of computers in accounting, then last chapter 13th chapter computerized accounting system. Let's see part 1 financial accounting, first chapter introduction to accounting. So in this chapter we are going to learn meaning of accounting, what are the objectives of accounting, what is the role of accounting, what are the basic terms are used in accounting. These all we study in the first chapter introduction to accounting. Then coming to the second chapter theory base of accounting. In this chapter what are the basic concepts are used in accounting. So we study in theory base of accounting. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರು ಇವೆರಡು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ರಿ ಇವು ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಥಿಯರಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ 1. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು. Okay, then what is the meaning of ledger, what is the meaning of journal, how to post in journal. These all we study in recording of transactions 1. Fourth chapter recording of transactions 2. So in this chapter meaning of cash book, what are the types of cash book, single column cash book, double column cash book. Then what are the subsidiary books, there are 5 to 6 subsidiary books, purchase book, purchase return book, sales return book. Okay, so these all we study in recording of transactions 2. Then fifth chapter, in this chapter as per the passbook and as per the cash book, how to reconcile between these two we are going to study in this chapter. Sixth chapter trial balance and rectification of errors, meaning of trial balance, what are the objectives of trial balance, how to prepare the trial balance. Okay, then what is the meaning of rectification of errors. So error ಅಂದರೆ ತಪ್ಪಾದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎರರ್ ಆದಾಗ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. then what are the types of errors, these all we study in trial balance and rectification of errors. Then seventh chapter depreciation provisions and reserves, meaning of depreciation, what are the causes of depreciation. Okay, what are the methods of depreciation. There are two methods of depreciation, straight line method, SLM method, in shortcut SLM straight line method, and return down value method, in short form WDV method. We call it as WDV method. It's nothing but return down value method. Then what is a provision, what is a reserve, what are the types of reserve. These all we study in the 7th chapter, depreciation, provisions and reserves. Then last chapter, bill of exchange. Meaning of bill of exchange, meaning of promissory note. Bill of exchange andre enu, promissory note andre enu. Okay, what are the types of bill of exchange? Maturity of bill, discounting of bill, endorsement of bill, dishonor of bill and retiring of the bill. So these all we study in bill of exchange. This is all about the syllabus of accounting. Let's see the blueprint of first PUC accountancy. So the before going to the blueprint of accountancy, first we need to know the question paper pattern of accountancy. Let's see the question paper pattern of accountancy. The question paper of accountancy has divided into 5 parts. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನು 5 ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ವಿಂಗಡಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so options will be there. Okay, so when you see the question paper, then it will come to know you that, then it will come to know you. Okay, then second section. Okay, section B alli en barutte 2 marks. In that 2 marks. Third one section C, in that 6 marks. Fourth one section D, in that 12 marks. And fifth one section E, in that 5 marks. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಕೌಂಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರು 5 ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇ ದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇ ಏನಿದೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು POQ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, so let's understand the blueprint of accountancy. Let's understand the blueprint of accountancy. This is the blueprint of your accountancy. Let's see first chapter number 1, introduction to accounting. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks 1, 6 marks nil, 12 marks nil, so total 3 marks, and they won't ask 6 marks and 12 marks problems in chapter number 1. Okay, so idu chapter number 1, introduction to accounting. Second chapter, theory base of accounting. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks 1, 6 marks nil, 12 marks nil, total 3 marks, and they won't ask 6 and 12 marks problems in second chapters also. The second chapter also. Third chapter, a recording of transactions 1. So in that 1 marks 1, 2 marks 1, 6 marks 1, 12 marks 1, total 21 marks from third chapter. Fourth chapter, recording transactions 2. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks nil, 6 marks 2, 12 marks 1. So total 25 marks, and they won't ask 2 marks questions in fourth chapter. Fifth chapter, BRS, that is bank reconciliation statement. In that 1 marks nil, 2 marks 1, 6 marks nil, 12 marks 1. So total 14 marks from fifth chapter. Sixth chapter, trial balance and rectification of errors. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks 1, 6 marks 1 and 12 marks nil. So total 9 marks, and there is no 12 marks problems in 6th chapter. 7th chapter, depreciation, provisions and reserves. In that 1 marks nil, 2 marks 1, 6 marks nil and 12 marks 1. So total 14 marks from 7th chapter. 8th chapter, bill of exchange. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks nil, 6 marks nil, 12 marks 1. So total 13 marks from 8th chapter, and there is no 2 marks and 6 marks questions in 8th chapter. 9th chapter, financial accounting 1. In that 1 marks nil, 2 marks 1, 6 marks 1 and 12 marks nil. So total 8 marks from 9th chapter. Next one, 10th chapter, financial statement 2. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks nil, 6 marks nil and 12 marks 1. So total 13 marks from 10th chapter. 11th chapter, accounts from incomplete record. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks nil, 6 marks 1 and 12 marks 1. Total 19 marks from 11th chapter. Then 12th chapter, application of computer in accounting. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks 1, 6 marks nil, 12 marks nil. So total 3 marks from 12th chapter. Then last one, 13th chapter, computerized accounting system. In that 1 marks 1, 2 marks nil, 6 marks 1 and 12 marks nil. So total 7 marks and there is no 2 marks and 12 marks questions in 13th chapter. So after seeing this blueprint, it will come to know you on which chapter you have to give more stress. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ನಾ ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎದುರು ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 3 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 3 ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟಚ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ನೀವು ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವೇನು 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವೆ ಇವು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಮನಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡ್ರಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್ 10 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಬೋತ್ book number 1 and book number 2 consist of 15 practical oriented questions. ಬುಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ 15 POQ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸು ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. POQ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ದೆ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ 1 POQ. ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ದೆ ವೋಂಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಎನಿ POQs. ಅವರು ಎರಡನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು POQ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ದೆ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ 4 POQs, 4 practical oriented questions. Chapter number 4 they will ask 1 POQ. Chapter number 5 they won't ask any POQs. Chapter number 6 they will ask 1 POQ. Chapter number 7 they will ask 2 POQs. Chapter number 8 they will ask 2 practical oriented questions. Chapter number 9 they will ask 2 practical oriented questions. Chapter number 10 they won't ask any POQs. Chapter number 11 they will ask 1 POQ. Chapter number 12 they will ask 1 practical oriented question. Okay, they will ask only 1 POQ. Then last chapter, 13th chapter, they won't ask any POQs. So total 15 POQs from both book 1 and book 2. Okay, so this is all about your syllabus of your accountancy as well as blueprint of your accountancy, and also have discussed about the question paper pattern. Okay, so next video dalli let's see the exact meaning of accountancy andre enu, accounting andre enu, then what are the objectives of accounting ನೋಡೋಣ, what are the terms are used in accounting, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಕೌಂಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಚ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.